dito sa Philips Gold, kailangan mas ano sila, aggressive in their movements. Like that. That was a good block there.
So nung set 3, talagang atake tsaka aces.
Yes.
Doon na naig
Ito.
ang signal. Pero ito, Philips Gold starting set number 4 with Alexis
Yes.
saying we are not yet out of this game.
Oo, kasi kanina medyo tumahimik, bumaba yung energy level ng Philips Gold eh. So ngayon, kailangan ano sila, mag-spark some energy in the court and continue it until they get the set.
Lady Slammers up by 1. Vivas will get that point back and we are tied at 1 apiece in set 4.
Pero itong signal, pati yung energy nila up din, hindi sila papatalo. So, ito nga yung sinasabi ko na magandang tingnan kasi pareho silang teams closely knit. And that translates in the court.
And during the lull, bago tayo mag-resume ng play, partner, pinapanood ko ang signal.
Yes.
Tumatalon, nakasmile si Coach Sammy, kanilang cheerleader saying go, go, go. On the other side naman, salubong na ang kilay ng mga manlalaro. Talking about Melissa Goging, even the imports. Let's go back to business. And that's a good sign.
Yeah, and look, di ba kanina pa natin to pinapaalam sa audience natin eh. Si Olgard, you can't predict the way she drops that ball. Ito kanina, pag she earned that point kasi talagang inulong lang niya on the side.
So tabla tayo, 2 apiece in set 4. Q. Dowd, quick one to Olgard. Balik sa signal. To the back, Bo was there. Dowd will set up Pablo. Pablo will score!
Sagutan lang sila ng points, no? Ngayon naman, Philips Gold is on top of Signal by 1.
Pero gusto ko yung bounce dito ng Philips Gold
Yes.
sa start ng set 4.
Yes.
May anghang,
May anghang.
may laman,
Yes.
may power.
Correct.
Ang tanong, itong kabila, hindi rin patatalo.
Oo, definitely.
Dowd setting up the captain. Anderson, quick one. And that point will go to Philips Gold.
Yeah, kasi tumama yung bola ni Anderson sa tape ng net. So, 4 touches. And now Dowd with the serve. Ito, prepare dapat ang Signal because si Dowd gives in a very hard serve.
Dalawang abante ng Philips Gold. Vivas. And the floor defense of Philips Gold kinapos doon, partner. That was a big space behind the blockers.
Big space, and Dowd was just a little late in her reaction.
Kita mo no? Medyo malaki, malayo yung spasyo.
She was waiting kasi for a hard hit for a powerful hit.
Vivas ang nag-serve sa signal. They're down by 1. Quick one there. Again, the Dowd-Olgard connection working well for Philips Gold.
Ngayon ang Philips Gold there, I think their aim, of course, their aim is to pull away as fast as they can.
5 serving 3. Myla Pablo serving for Philips Gold. HD Spikers. Wench. Balik sa kanila ang bola. From the back, Usher. Great dig by Gohing. Once more, running hit by Anderson. Sagot ng Philips Gold. Another crack. Tew. Oh! Inapos lang yung kanyang atake.
Yung set kasi was way wide, so trinay ni Wench Chu na gawa ng paraan yung bola Kung alam mo, kung pwede, no, i-over na lang, easy over, para lang mabuhay pa rin yung bola.
Pero ang basa ko nung parang committed na siya, no?
Oo, alanganin na kasi.
Jump, no?
Oo.
Pero tama ka, no? At least in that attempt, she tried to salvage it.
She really tried to salvage that.
Pero ito, another great start here by Philips Gold. Abante sila ng 4, 7-3. Pablo with 9 attacks already under her name. Fritz Joy defended well on the other side. Meantime, Anderson running hit. Na-timingan ni Bo.
Grabe yung block ni Bo. Talaga namang wall. That ball just went straight down sa court ng Signal.
And the energy is overflowing dito sa koponan ng Philips Gold. They're up by 5, 8-3. We'll be right back. Balik po tayo sa ating live play and we'll show you this one. Amanda Anderson, before this shot, Meron na siyang 8 attack points.
Wow.
At palagi siyang nagwawagi sa kanyang running hit. Pero nadepensahan yun ni Bo.
Yes.
Kaya lamang po dito ang Phillips Gold. 8-3 ang ating score. Set number 4. Fitzjoy. Too wide, too hard. And that gives Phillips Gold a 6-point lead.
Pero alam mo, makikita mo sa imports ng Signal, no? Kay Usher tsaka Anderson, hindi sila naninisi pag nagkakamali ang locals. They're really just encouraging our team to keep on.
Malaking bagay yun.
Oo, malaking bagay yun. Walang
Pag
sisihan.
marinig mo sa mga import mo na, uy, di ba yung kumpiyansa ng locals? Running hit. This time around, sinigurado ni Amanda.
Nicely done. What can I say? It's her favorite hit.
And the lead of Phillips Gold, babasa 5. It's 4 serving 9 with this lovely lady. After scoring that hit, siya naman ang magsaserve para sa Signal HD Spikers.
You know a trivia about the imports of Signal? They don't smoke, they don't drink, and they sleep early.
Aba,
Yes, very focused when they get to practices.
pareho pala kami.
Parehong
Hindi naniligrid.
Alright.
Iba lang sa tulog. Yun lang.
Oh, triathlete ka eh.
Hindi naman, sumusubok lang. 5 serving 9 still Amanda Anderson. 9 attacks, 2 blocks. Another
Good
big game.
serve.
Dowd will set this one up. Bo with a hit. It's good. Open. Zone 6.
And the blockers, where were they for Bo's hit? Look at this. Butas, ang blockers natin. But there was a big gap in between the blockers, and that's where the ball went.
And the powerful hit of Todorovic gave Phillips Gold their 10th point. Namang sila ng 5. Lindsay with a set. Oh, Laborte was there. Fitzjoy.
That was 4 touches there. That ball didn't go over the net.
Para po dun sa mga hindi masyadong bihasa pa sa volleyball, partner,
Yes.
yung white tape na yan, malaking bagay para sa ating mga referee, di ba, sa ibabaw. Sapagkat pag tumama ang bola dyan at hindi lumampas
Yes.
at bumalik, yun na.
Oo. 4 na yon. Error na yun.
6-point lead for Phillips Gold. Usher from the back. Oh, great dig from Pablo. Meantime, Bo. Oh!
There was a net infraction before that hit of Bo's, but even if hindi natawag yung net infraction, talaga makakascore pa rin ng Phillips Gold because Bo's hit was just too powerful for the floor defense of Signal.
Kumbaga, mamili ka ng point mo.
Oo.
Infraction or powerful hit.
Yes.
Pero pag ito, tumiklop ang Signal, alam nila may kalalagyan yung 1-0 record ng HD Spikers.
Yeah, and that's why he continued to encourage the team not to really look at the score. They can just bawi lang daw.
Tingnan natin. 7 ang abante ng Phillips Gold. Bo. Great save coming from Gallinero. Ibabalik sa kabila. Bo, hinabol yung bola. HD Spikers on the attack. Usher. Soft one. Almost, but not quite. And the rally continues. Usher, another shot. Iba naman. Iba rin ang speed, ibang power.
Oh, pero ang ganda nung wrist action. Tingnan mo, makikita dito eh. She goes up for that from the back line. Linihis niya dun sa blockers. At ang galing bagsak. Patusok pa rin talaga yung trajectory.
Yan yung tinuturo mo sa akin off the air, yung pitik, no?
Yes, yung pitik ng wrist.
And that small thing can do a lot of damage.
That was a good serve there from Gallinero.
So this is a good way na ma-stop ng Signal itong space na kine-create ng Phillips Gold.
Oh.
Down by 5 are the HD Spikers, make it down by 6. Dahil service error ang binitawan ni Fitzjoy. That's right.
Yeah. Dapat si Gallinero medyo umatras pa siya dahil ang lakas ng bola niya.
Umaba will be serving for Phillips Gold, 13, serving 7.
Good serve there.
Usher. Balik ang bola sa Signal HD Spikers. Dadang will set this one up. Bo. Back to Usher. Usher with a hit. It's good.
Palo ni Usher. Bo was there. Hindi niya nakuha. You could see the expression on her face.
And Bo,
Goes up.
look at Bo with the dance move. Yun ang nakita doon.
Kita mo yung kanyang reaction, no? Parang, yeah, that was a good hit.
I think show of respect yun sa power ni Usher.
Yeah.
Pero Dadang, binalik yung regalong binigay ni Usher sa kanila.
Good play there called by Dao. That was a quick play for Dadang. Hindi pa masyadong ready ang floor defense ng Signal.
So the Lady Slammers are up by 6 points. It's 14, serving 8, and it's Bojana Todorovic serving for Philips Gold. That's an ace.
Wow, yung bola niya, it floater eh. Kasi one direction, tapos nung pabagsak na siya sa floor ng Signal, biglang nag-iba ng direksyon.
At ito yung ironic.
Yes.
Sa area, eject yun nila.
Oo nga.
I mean, not to put down Jack here, but
Yeah, of course.
one of the best liberos that we have in the country.
Yeah, we're just saying that that was a really good serve.
Same way na itong si Usher ang tinarget yung libero ng kabila.
Oo. Ang galing ano, parang tinarget mo libero mo.
Bawian kita.
Bawian kita. Nice. Nicely done by Usher. Pero wala rin yung blockers ni Philips Gold dun eh.
So quits
Yes,
sa
quits
mga
na.
libero.
Correct.
Pablo off the deflection and they will score that one. At malaki, lumobo na ang kalamangan ng Philips Gold to 7 points. Our score in set number 4, 16-9 in favor of the Lady Slammers. Bo Todorovic, ang Serbian import. Kontra dito kay Ariel Usher, ang import naman ng Signal HD Spikers. They're having fun here
Yeah.
in the PSL Grand Prix 2015, and we are having fun.
We're definitely having fun.
We are expecting to be entertained, and wow, mukhang abot talaga to ng set 5, partner.
Tingnan natin.
Philips Gold on the attack. Quick one there. Great defense by Dionela. Chance ball. Lindsay going to Pablo. Pablo! And great effort by Jack Dionela.
Alam mo si Myla Pablo, ang laki-laki ng improvement niya sa hitting styles niya. She also varies it now eh. Hindi lang siya puro cross-court hit. Ngayon talagang nababantayan na niya pati yung blockers. Nalulusutan na niya yung mga blockers even if import ang blockers.
Alam mo ba kung anong edad ni Myla Pablo?
Anong edad ni Myla
21
Pablo?
years old lang.
Wow, ka-age ko!
17-10 is our score
Natameme ka
sorry,
doon.
in favor of Philips Gold. No, but really, Myla Pablo, I agree with you. Yung evolution niya as a player.
Level of playing niya, no?
That's an ace. That's an ace by Usher. And we have a report here from Carla dun sa huling huddle ng Signal. Carla, what do you have?
During the last time out, Coach Sammy emphasized one word. Sabi niya, you need to have teamwork. It's only 6 points, kayang-kaya natin habulan yan. And actually, when I was talking to him earlier, he was emphasizing that while Usher is doing the work, he actually wants it to be a local game. He wants the local players to really step up. So let's see kung sino nga ba mo step up dito para sa kanila. Balik sa inyo.
Ganda ng report ni Carla. Salamat. Teamwork. Locals ang tinitingnan ni Coach Sammy. They're down by 5. Final word siya, I called the timeout. Huwag yung sayangin. Diba? Pampakalma lang to.
Yeah. Saka yun nga, may kita mo rin again sa leadership ni Bo, no? Yeah, you know what? It's just one pass. One pass. So let's see.
And
there
Bo,
you go.
Dowd rather, Lindsay Dowd. Look at that.
No doubt about
No
that.
doubt about it. And that's the second time that she attempted that. 2 out of 2. And she's dancing. I saw her dancing.
Nice, good. They're having fun.
18-12. Philips Gold up by 6. Susubok ang HD Spikers. So great hit, but great floor defense from Philips Gold. They go to Usher from the back. Great dig by Gohing. Pablo. And infraction.
Our referee, Josie Del Rosario, said that the ball hit it was outside when she hit that ball.
So that point will go to Signal.
Signal, yes.
Okay. So it's 13 serving 18. Ancheta off the bench, coming in.
O, isa pang magaling na setter to. Si Ancheta.
Mandapat, pinasok na rin dito ni Coach Sammy for Signal HD Spikers. 13 serving 18, Ancheta on deck. Lindsay, quick one to Allguard. Ball is still alive. They go back to Allguard. And then Clona trying her best. Pero nauna si Allguard doon.
Ang laki ng smile ni Allguard because kita mo yun, forma niya, titirahin niya talaga yung bola and then last minute, joke lang, in-off speed.
Kasi sa taas ng talon at sa haba ng mga galamay,
Yes.
may chance siya to really look at the
Yeah.
open space.
Correct.
19-13, 6-point lead for Phillips Gold. HD Spikers, they go to Usher. Lindsay, setting up Bo. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Pablo will go to Bo. Ancheta to Anderson, and they'll get that point.
Anderson this time, not with a running hit, but just your regular middle hit and gets the point for that. Look at this. Walang nagawa si Allguard.
And this is what I like about Signal HD, yung resiliency nila.
Yeah.
Hindi bumibigay eh.
Oo, matatag ang loob.
Amanda serving for Signal, 14 serving 19. Meantime, Laborte will set this one up. Fitzjoy to the back. Bo to the back. That one was out. And Signal will get their 15th point, and they're only down by 4.
This is really a good match. No, nobody wants to let up. Everybody's really trying to win the set. Look at the stats of Anderson.
11 attacks. Phillips Gold. Bo with a hit, and that one went between the two imports. Talking about Amanda and Ariel.
Yeah, nakalusot sa blockers ng Signal at nakalusot din sa reception ng dalawang imports.
And they knew it.
They knew it, yeah.
20 serving 15. Phillips Gold up by 5. Laborte will score off the deflection.
A good set there by Ancheta.
So buhay pang Signal.
Boy pa.
But we can't exchange points here, partner. Siguro mga tatlong sunod na puntos para may pressure
Para may pressure.
sa Phillips Gold.
Good serve.
Lindsay setting up Bo. And Bo, binawi. Yung point.
Oh, si Bo, ito yung sinasabi niya. When she was 7 years old, she was really loud in the court, and now she's doing exactly the same thing. Loud in action, loud in voice.
23 years old from UCLA, turning 24 on October 28.
Ooh, lapit
That's
na.
Boyana. Usher to the back. They're asking for a check ball. But according to first referee Jocelyn Del Rosario, that one was out.
Ang ganda ng tunog ng bola niya, pero that really went long.
Using your ears yun, ano? Yung ganun tunog.
Oo, yung ganung tunog. Talagang magandang palo.
Up by 6, Phillips Gold. That was Michelle Gumabo earlier. Down the line, zone 5 was open.
Nicely done by Riza Mandapat.
And she served her purpose. Dun sa loob, nakakuha ng isa.
Yes. Now you've got Ingrid. Ito, magandang services ni Ingrid so far. Laging nahihirapan ng Phillips Gold dyan.
28 excellent sets. Wow.
Good figure.
17 serving 22. Signal HD up in set count, but they're down here in set number 4. HD Spikers, they go to Usher. Soft one there. Again, there's a donut.
There was no one there to cover that area behind the blockers of Phillips Gold.
At buhay pang Signal.
Buhay pa.
Pag hindi gawan ng paraan dito ng Phillips Gold ito, maaaring matapos sa set number 4.
Phillips Gold needs to be more aggressive here in their hits and their plays. Kasi remember, humahabol ng Signal at medyo nakakatakot yan pag lumapit ng husto.
Crucial tong possession dito ng
Yes.
Phillips Gold. Bo Buhay pa ang bola. However, they couldn't go beyond the A-board.
2 more, and Philips Gold will take the set.
Now, there's something comfortable about the number 23 in the first to fourth sets. Dadala mong 2 points away ka na lang. Pero ito,
Yes.
may timeout. Si Coach Sammy. Oh, wow, these ladies are going at it. Ito
Yes.
talaga, biri mo. Yung ating scoring, 25-15 sa first set punta sa Philips. Second, 25-15. Signal.
Oh.
Third, 25-17. Signal. Now, some people might say, mabilis yung games. Hindi ho eh. Kahit na mababa yung score ng kabila, sa haba ng rallies,
Yes.
ito. That's a point for Philips Gold.
1 more to go.
Set point, 24-18.
This is gonna be tough for Signal, but if they can hold on, let's see it.
Bojana Todorovic serving for Philips Gold. They're up by 6. Vivas. Chance here for Philips Gold to close this one out. Hindi pa. Signal pa rin ang mananaig dyan.
Hindi, gusto lang ng Philips Gold na gawing exciting pa. Ako, baka atakihin na tayo sa puso nito sa ganda ng nilalaro ng dalawang koponan.
Pero sa players ng Signal, hindi mo bibigyan ng ganyang chance yan.
Oo, nako, they'll take that chance.
She can do
Let's
a
listen to Coach Francis.
Ayan. Tapos may dulo. Okay? Pag the place here, then spike at the middle. Okay? You can choose up the three. Okay?
That's a good
1
time out
point,
there,
1 point.
partner.
Let's go.
Yes, ang service nasa Signal, pero ang chance to score
Yes.
nasa Philips
Philips,
Gold. So si
right.
Coach Francis sinigurado, ano ang gagawin natin pagkakuha ng service na yan?
Yeah. And I think that play was addressed to Myla Pablo. So let's see.
Tingnan natin kung makakakuha sila dito ng point. Close set number 4 and 4 say 5th. And last set sa ating laro. Pablo bumabuelo, hindi sa kanya pununta kay Bo. Meantime, Usher, soft one. They go to the back. Usher once more with power. Ball is still alive. Free ball. Running hit, Anderson. Great net defense shown by the locals of Philips Gold. At ang score natin, 25-19 in favor of Philips Gold. Tapos na ang 4 na set. May isa pa ho tayo sa aming pagbabalik.